Hello, this is Quick Search. We manufacture, assemble and supply agricultural equipment. We also produce and supply pasture seeds. Today, I'll be showcasing some of our equipment we have in our shop. So this is animal feed pelletizer machine powered by a 5 horsepower motor. It has 2 rollers and a 4mm die. So making animal feed pellets minimizes feed wastage and also increases feed intake by the animals. Also, when you convert animal feeds raw materials into pellets, they are small and dense, thus making them easier to store and transport. So this is where you place the raw materials and the pellets come out through this outlet.